Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you a tool that I use called Planable that allows me to schedule social media posts. So I've got all the accounts set up here at the top. I've already have these connected, so you basically select the account that you want to post to. I've got these 5 accounts that I'm posting to. When you're ready to post, you click on compose, and I'll be using an AI feature within Planable to generate the content of the post. So let me write something. So I'm gonna promote this article about our digital signage software. I'm just gonna paste the link here. Okay, so that's the link. So now I'm gonna click on rewrite with AI, expand the concept. Let's see what it generates. I will be adding an image and upload an image to it. Okay, so now it's generating the content for this article that was written. Yep, it looks pretty good. So you can just go through it and update it if you want to. You can add your hashtags as well. So I'm just going to write a couple of hashtags, and then when you're ready to post, you just add the media as well. So I'm just going to add, so I can delete this, remove this, add the media. So that's the media that I've added it. The reason for that is also because for the Google business, you can't just put links, you need to add an image. As you can see here, I need to change this, the Australian way of writing. Also, if you notice there's an exclamation mark, when you see an exclamation mark, you know there's something wrong, so you've just got to fix that. So it's fix a few things here. It's too long, so I'm just gonna delete that, and just proofread it before you publish. So now, as you can see, the exclamation mark is no longer there. There's a few errors here. Let's pick this one. So just say if you want to post something different for each of the social media accounts, you can deselect sync on. So that means for each one you select, you can modify it and it will not synchronize across to all the other accounts. So for example, for this one here, text is longer than 200. That's because it's Twitter. So I'm just gonna delete a lot. It's obviously need more than that. Just delete that. The link is also pretty long. Let me delete a few hashtags. Okay, so that will work. Now with this one, the image is wrong, so what we have to do is edit the image, and then you can basically select the size. So you can crop if you wanted to, you scale if you wanted to. You can decorate, resize. That's the one I'm gonna try to do. So edit image. So if you wanna resize it, crop the shape, and let's go with landscape. So we'll narrow it down, so it's not gonna miss a lot of the content, it's just the edges. Save that, and now that's good to go. So they all don't have an exclamation mark. So once you're ready, you can click on save draft, the publish, but you've got to get this approved. So right now it's approved by you. So this is the post. approve it, and then you can hit publish, and it'll publish it across all your accounts. So let me just show you that. Just gonna fix up the spelling here. And just make sure that all the content is right. So I'm just going to edit this, and then I'll show you how to post it. Okay, so I've done all the editing that I needed to. Okay, so just click on approve. So you'll see a tick now, so it's approved to be published for that group. Then click on publish now. And there you go. The article has been published. You see that the group has been published, and then just check through your accounts and you'll see them published. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.